Hi, I'm Johnny, and today we're talking about the Totally Wicked Arc 5. The Arc 5 is one of Totally Wicked's most popular e-cig kits and has really stood the test of time. It's been a firm favourite with UK vapers for a number of years now due to its expert simplicity, reliability and versatility. The Arc 5 is switched on and off with 5 clicks for safe transportation. It's powered by a generous 2200 mAh integrated battery to provide at least a full day of vaping. The wattage is adjustable from 1 to 40 watts and your current settings are displayed on the LED screen on the front of the battery. The kit is recharged via a USB port on the bottom of the battery and the USB charging cable is included in the box. There are 7 colour options to choose from, so there really is an option for various style preferences. And be sure to keep an eye out for the seasonal limited edition finishes, of which there has been many over the years. On top of the Arc 5 battery is a CS Air Slim tank. This tank is refilled at the bottom and utilises the immensely popular CS range of atomizer heads. The CS Air 1.5 ohm atomizer head is fitted, however the 1.2 ohm and 0.75 ohm versions are also popular as an accessory. And the CS M 0.6 ohm and 0.35 ohm atomizer heads are also compatible with the Arc 5 kit for sub-ohm vapers who prefer using higher powers. The CS Air Slim tank also features pinpoint airflow control to suit the vast range of compatible atomizer heads. The Arc 5 is one of the most reliable and versatile e-cigarettes on the market. It's the ideal kit for both brand new vapers and vapers who are moving up from a fixed power device to a kit with variable wattage.